products, yeah, pads, chemicals, everything. How many square feet is this? 3,500. These floors aren't in bad shape. Last time we did this was about 2019. And then the pandemic hit 2020. This place was closed down for about a year. So, shouldn't be too bad. Pretty much it. It's a trampoline place, so got behind here. Too bad. Just a strip of wax, very simple. Yeah, when you're done with this, I'll start extracting this water, so. Dude, what's that squeaking?
What?
That's squeaking.
Yeah, we'll do a small squeaking. What in the middle?
No, I said squeaking, not squeegee. Alright. Alright.
Small corners, big one.
Stupid phone. I'm having issues with this camera on here. I cracked my screen, so I'm trying to zoom in. Yeah, these floors are not in bad shape, man. You didn't put a lot of stripper down, did you?
Huh?
You didn't put too much stripper down, did you?
I put a little strip.
Yeah, because you didn't.
Just very little.
These things are in decent condition.
I'm just getting the stuff line. I'm really dropping picking.
Yeah.
This has the Zep floor in it. Lasted for since prior COVID.
Yep. Yeah, because I was saying the last time we did this. Was it 2 years ago or was it more?
2 to 3.
2 to 3? I think it was 2019, but I think it was 2018 when we were here. I could be wrong. I don't even remember, guys. It's been a long time. I've done so many jobs since then. Yeah, I know. I remember because we were here all night. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is he already scrubbed everything. He did the corners, he scrubbed prior to me getting here or getting inside the building. Now I'm just squeeging pretty much everything over here. So, alright guys, I'm gonna try to finish this. Stand by. So what he's doing right here is using the walk behind. Normally got the vacuum going, but since we're using stripper, I'm not one to like suck up all that crap into the vacuum line. It's just a pain in the ass to clean out the lines after. Some people do it, I just don't like to do it. I'll just stick to the wet and dry vac method. Yeah, I know. It's starting to get slippery, huh? Yeah, these floors are in great condition. I'm surprised, man. I thought these things were gonna be worn down to nothing, but
We had 6 foot from the floor.
no, I know. Yeah, it should. What the hell is that ribbon on there? All right, that was your little hair bow.
It's to put a bow on you.
Yeah. Yeah, so what we got here is one of the weights we use for water extraction when we do flood jobs. It's about 50 pounds of lead. We got about 2 of them. We're extracting water, one of our rollers. Use that to weigh that machine down.
Keep using the regular bucket.
Yeah. Oh, way better. Almost. Not doing bad for time. Time-wise, we're not doing bad for time. I hope so. The way this wind's blowing in, man, these floors are drying quick. I don't even think we're gonna really need too much blowers.
No, like, well, wax, we're gonna start
Yeah.
below the fans. We opened that door too fast.
Oh yeah, should dry pretty quick. Even better. I'll just stick something over there. You know what? When you're done with that, we peg that right there with that weight. Right on the door.
What?
That weight you got on here, after you're done using that, put it right on the door. Alright, so this side has been scrubbed and rinsed. This side's good to go. While I was doing this, he's been laying down wax over here on this side. He's laying down the third coat right now. Put about another 2 coats on here after, so 5 coats total, maybe. What time is it? Yeah, it's about 2:28 a.m. here. So we've been at this since like, I don't know, 8:30, give or take. I had to stop and run home, which was about a half hour away, take care of some things. So that kind of put me behind. I was gone for about a little over an hour. Oh yeah, this side too is all set. It's ready to go. All right, guys, stand by. All right, guys, so we're pretty much finished putting on the last coat on this section, and we're out of here. It's about 3:47 a.m. So this side is all set. Well, it's all set. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, all right? Peace. I'm going out through this door. Got the vans outside. Got a creepy carnival music playing over here. All right, guys, I appreciate you subscribing to my channel and watching. But I'm gonna wrap up and get out of here. So that concludes today's video. Got my Vans on. The heat. It's about 38 degrees right now. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. All right. Peace.